In this video, I'll show you how to remove an ad account from Facebook Business Manager step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that has access to your business. Open Business Settings, then go to Accounts and select Ad Accounts. Choose the ad account you want to remove from your Business Manager. Next, look for the option to remove from business or disconnect, depending on your account settings. Review the warning carefully and confirm the removal. Keep in mind that removing an ad account from a Business Manager does not necessarily delete the ad account itself. Also, some ad accounts may not be removable if they have outstanding balances, active issues, or other restrictions. If you don't see the removal option, check your permissions and the ad account's status. After removing it, review your Business Manager to confirm the ad account is no longer connected. That's how you can remove an ad account from Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.